It may appear impossible to earn $1,000 in a day, but in this video, I will show you how easy it is to use this new website and earn money over and over again. And once you're here, they accept people from all around the world regardless of where they're from. When it comes to signing up for this site, there are two major blunders that complete beginners commit. They are promptly banned for making those mistakes and they never make any money. So if you want to learn how to avoid such mistakes and truly make things work, then you must watch every single second of this instruction till it is completed. And I believe it is far more worthwhile to watch the 10-minute instruction, which could result in a life-changing income, than to be lazy and click away, never making any money. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. To begin generating up to $1,000 per day utilizing this platform, you will need to first go to a website called Kraken, which can be found at kraken.com. Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange marketplace where individuals come to purchase cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency is now something that everyone has been talking about for the past few months. Even my grandmother has a glimmer of it. People are spending tens of thousands of dollars in cryptocurrency exchange platforms like Kraken.com by the time I'm recording this video. Visit the website to learn more about how this exchange marketplace works. Don't worry, you don't have to manufacture and sell a variety of things. It won't be that difficult. You don't even need a website to do this. All you have to do is go to kraken.com and scroll all the way down at the bottom where you will see affiliates just underneath the About section. So it'll be a very small button with the word affiliates written on it. If you click on it, it will send you to this affiliate page, which is right here. And as soon as I show you which false rookies do that, get them banned from the website, they won't be able to generate any money at all, not even a single dollar. So I'd like to avoid making those mistakes, so stay tuned to find out what they are. You can see that you will get 20% of the trading fees collected from clients right now. So if you suggest someone who spends $1,000 on this website, and believe me, it is a no-brainer, you will get a bonus because people are spending tens of thousands of dollars on this site. Furthermore, if you refer someone who buys $1,000, you will receive $200 for free and without having to do anything. And if you stick with me until the end of this video, I will provide you a completely free traffic source where you may find millions of people willing to start using Kraken.com and investing their money there through your affiliate link. Most significantly, you can earn up to $1,000 for each referral, meaning you can earn up to $1,000 for each person you suggest to our website. Every single day, you can suggest one person and earn up to $1,000. Every single day, two people can earn up to $2,000 using our completely free platform. Now all you have to do is scroll down a little bit and you'll be able to view this application right here. So if you're interested in being an affiliate, click here. Now this is going to be really important. After you are on this page, you will be paid up to $1,000 for each person you refer to on this website. I will teach you how to refer to thousands of them, but first, I'd like to make sure you don't make the same error as the rest of the beginners. Pay close attention because I want you to start making money with this website. In these two boxes, you must now type a complete and legitimate name. In this field, you will provide your genuine email address. For each of your accounts, you will establish a unique username. That is all there is to it. When you sign up for their affiliate program, you will be asked to provide some basic demographic information about yourself, as well as your country of residence, and as you can see, they accept people from all around the world. So, if your country is on the list, it is likely to work for you as well. They've got all of the countries right here, so simply look for yours, choose it, and enter. Add some basic demographic information about yourself once again. Now comes the important point. You must not make a mistake here or else you will end up appearing like the guy who made no money with their affiliate program. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Let's return to the video now. So first and foremost, they will ask you for your partner type, which you will select right here. However, if you select offline or other, you will receive an automatic decline. Because any applications with offline or other as the partner type will be automatically declined. You will be kicked out of their affiliate program and will never be able to generate money with Kraken.com if you do that. And believe me, you will miss out on a great opportunity if you choose anything other than offline and other. You can choose email, search engine, marketing, loyalty and rewards, coupon deals, or anything else you want, but not offline or other. That is the first mistake you must avoid. The second thing you'll want to pay attention to is social networks. You will want to add some of your social media account, but you'll want to make sure that your social media account is set to public. If it is set to private, you will never be accepted, you'll receive an auto decline right away, and you'll never be able to profit from it. So either create an Instagram account or an Instagram page, which I strongly advise you to do. Or simply start a YouTube channel. Don't worry, you won't be required to post anything there. You don't need any followers, subscription, views, or anything else. You only need that account to prove that it is a public account and that you should be accepted into their affiliate program. So that is quite crucial. Simply select social networks and add some of your public social media profiles. And when you've filled out all of the information about yourself and avoided all of the blunders, you'll simply need to scroll down a little bit and click sign up right here. After you've signed up, your application will be sent and you'll just have to wait a few hours or even a couple of business days to be accepted into their affiliate program. Then you can get your affiliate link and earn up to $1,000 for each person you refer to Kraken.com. Finally, once you've obtained your affiliate link, you can begin utilizing this free traffic source, which receives over 1 billion monthly visits. On a monthly basis, nearly 1 billion users access this platform. You may also use it to drive visitors to your Kraken.com affiliate link, allowing you to earn up to $1,000 for every person who signs up and invests through your affiliate link. Reddit is the platform in question and you can find it at reddit.com. This is a community-based website with hundreds of thousands of local groups, each with its own set of members who are interested in a specific issue. For example, if you Google how to buy cryptocurrency, you will find a slew of people discussing how to do so. You may do the same thing with any coin. There will always be new people who will ask the same question over and over. If you're unfamiliar with any other cryptocurrency, simply go to Google and look up all of the other cryptocurrencies that people might look upon Reddit. For example, I can Google which cryptocurrency to invest in now and get a slew of different options such as using other cryptocurrencies and so on. I can then go back to Reddit and search for things like how to buy this type of cryptocurrency and discover individuals who are interested in purchasing it. You can basically reply to everyone once you've found them all, and you'll never run out of people to reply to because there are so many different cryptocurrencies and so many people asking the same things over and over. New questions are being submitted all the time, so sign up for free on reddit.com. It will take you less than 60 seconds to conduct a Google search for various keywords related to cryptocurrency. You simply discover people that are interested in that, start responding with your affiliate link, and they will be grateful because you're giving them a solution to an issue they're having. They are already looking for information on how to invest in cryptocurrencies and how to buy them. Now all you have to do is provide them with a solution, which is your affiliate link, which will earn you up to $1,000 per person. That is a lot of people visiting Kraken.com and a lot of potential referrals. Remember, you don't need a lot of people, all you need is one person per day to make $1,000 utilizing the Kraken affiliate program. Don't immediately push your affiliate link, instead try to connect a little bit, establish yourself as an authority in that community, in that Reddit group, and then start sharing your affiliate link. And all the other people who are looking for advice on how to buy Bitcoin and where to get it will be able to see your affiliate link. Because it is a public comment, it won't just be for that one individual. It'll be a response to all other people looking for the same answer. So you're offering them a solution, and with your affiliate link, you may earn up to $1,000 per person. So go up to reddit.com or any other social media platform such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube and find as many individuals as you can. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.